For the function f of theta equals cos theta, what are all values of the domain when f of theta equals 1? All right, so let's take a look at what cos theta looks like. We're now in section 3-4, so we know what sine and cosine look like from a graphical standpoint. So cosine starts up here at 1, bottoms out at -1. Okay, starts out here, it crosses at half a pi, it bottoms out at pi, at 1.5 pi, it comes back up, and it peaks out at 2 pi. Okay, so those are the sweet spots. Starts up here, bottoms out there, hits the x-axis, peaks out at 2 pi, repeat. Now, I care when f of theta equals 1. Now, 1's right here. F of theta is going to equal 1 an infinite amount of times because it always peaks out at 1. Look at that perfectly straight line to represent that. So basically, at 0, it's 1. And at 2 pi, and then at 4 pi, and then at 6 pi. So how do I represent that? Okay, well, this is going to happen every 2 pi's. Well, what I'll say is this is going to equal 1 when theta equals 2k basketball, 2k pi. Now, what is k? K is all integers. Any integer for all k is, oh, you know what? Let me not use calculus language. I was going to say I was going to use the integer thing. For all integers k. So if k is 1, 2 pi makes sense. If k is 0, 0 makes sense. If k is -1, that makes sense because it's -2 pi. So any integer k, theta, is going to be a possible answer because it's periodic and it repeats itself. So there you go.